Okay, real quick, I'm going to show you how to fix the #1 cause of air conditioners not working, at least here in the Tampa, Florida area, which is a clogged drain line. First, you just need a shop vac, put it onto the end of the drain line like so. Doesn't need to be anything fancy. If you want, you can put a piece of tape or a wet rag or something around it. Turn it on, and then go to the indoor unit. So then you get here, this little guy right here is your float switch. See that? There's a little lip around the top. You can kind of twist it, sometimes it's hard to break free. And then that lifts out. That little thing right there on the bottom, that's the float. It'll shut the air conditioner off if that guy fills with water. So, set this off to the side. And if we listen, that's the sound of the shop vac sucking air through. So that tells us that we've already gotten the clog out. Then we're gonna go get some water and pour it down there. All right, here's the last step, priming up the trap. Done.